Hello and welcome to this update. A while ago, I made a video about Controlnet activating Reactor and Face Swap Lab and Roop. So this is an update to that video. I was right, Controlnet does, but I did not know which Controlnet did. There's a lot. Levisel and Castile Controlnet and so forth. But I found the right one yesterday after such a long time. So, yes, to get Reactor done, right, if you already downloaded it and you got the extension, just copy and paste it into your, SD folder and where extensions is. In my case, it's here in Program Files 86, SD and extensions. I just had to copy and paste what I downloaded already into this location. And it did not show up here until I went into GitHub and I found Micubal SD WebUI Controlnet. Now I chose this because the name was familiar to me. So I decided to go here, click on code, and this popped up. Then I clicked on this, copied the link, came back, went to extensions, went to install from URL, placed it here, placed it, pasted. Yeah, pasted it. I pasted it there. And then I clicked install. After that, it took a while. And when it was finally installed, it showed up here in the list. And I closed this whole entire browser. Everything just is. And when I reopened it, there was Reactor. It was there. So that is how you install Reactor, Face Swap Lab, and Face Fusion, the extensions. You cannot install Roop because I think GitHub stopped Roop. It's not discontinued, they just stopped it. And I can't even get the application which is separate from Stable Diffusion. Because every time it wants to download the application from GitHub and it doesn't. So Roop is cut off from GitHub. So remember now, if you want all the face swapping stuff to work, you need Mercubal SD WebUI Controlnet. And I will put the site link and the download link in the description. Thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.